guys to my YouTube channel. This is episode 2 in Zanzibar. Zanzibar was too fun in episode 1. Now we're looking. Let's go to the shops. Look at these pictures, so beautiful. So these shops are really useful. We are going in the middle of Stone Town. We are searching for the hotel to lunch. So we are walking. We are almost there. Here we are to eat lunch.
Oh, no way.
Prison Island.
Oh, seriously?
Prison
One
Island
here and
is
it looks
fun.
fat?
Guys, talking
Big.
with me.
Oh, I thought fat.
Listen.
So what's the difference between fat and big?
Fatty.
Ah, no way. Oh, there's some costumes. So you are prepared yourself? So when you go outside, that'll be really fun.
We are almost there. We're at Indian Ocean. It's so beautiful. Now we're getting in the boat. We're almost here at Prison Island. Kaka is taking me. Listen, Kaka is telling how to get prison.
In 1893, there was eruption of yellow fever and cholera disease. So guys, the building in front of us, it carries the name of this island, Prison Island. But it was never used as a prison. It was used for quarantine sessions for yellow fever and cholera disease. Wherever you see blue, anything blue in color in terms of furniture, either a blue door, a blue window, but and the brown door. The brown door, it was original door. The blue door, it was the one that was restored. You hear that? And before we start our tour over here, we have so, little princess, let me show you example of the pictures. From here, these were slaves. Slaves is the process of buying and selling of human beings as commodity. So these ones, they were bought and sold in the market like your car, like your shirt. Yeah. And after here, little princess, you are going to see this. Yeah, you see how big they are? It looks like a slave, but and after that, we are going to see the peacocks. I hope you saw them, right? Here. This is the male. The other one we saw with the brown color, it's a female. And this is antelope. Or we call them diggy baby antelope. That's a lizard in this? What? Crab, yeah. You're smart. And this? We're going to see one better day. Today we're going to see the land tortoise. These are the sea turtles. So when you go to London, we'll go to the aquarium to swim in the turtles. Have you come with the swimming costumes?
Yes.
Sure.
Yeah.
You see the sea over there?
Yeah.
Do you need us to go there?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm going without. And going outside, these are shops, and shop has many things to eat, clothes, and even some things useful like these. Look at this view, so beautiful. This is Indian Ocean. See this ocean view, so beautiful. This is the beautiful thing I ever seen. So we take a little pictures like that. And then Kaka explained me I want to swim with there. Now we are gonna see the turtle. They're 200 years old. They're baby ones too. They're so cute. Even medium turtle too. Look at it. They looks like teenagers. They're the big ones. They're 200 years old. And they're eating their lunch. They're the peacocks. Now we are going back home at Zanzibar. This is Prison Island. We are going back to Stone Town. I get in the boat. Now let's go. I see you in my next vlog. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Bye.